So I'm a fake. I'm a replica because I'm gonna be installing the M style mirror caps on my BMW 428i X Drive with M Sport packaging. It's not an M, but you know, it's close enough. Look, if I have M Sport, I kind of have to get the M style mirror caps because it looks cooler. Series number 1 of me completely transforming my car. I want to do soon. It's like a chrome delete, blacking out the badges, not the BMW badge, but the 428i, the X Drive badge, front grille. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I know it's fake carbon fiber. So no, we can't do the real deal. I don't really care if it's real or not. I really just don't give a shit. But yeah, that's what it's clean. I love this part. It's for the F32 or whatever. So yeah. All right, I looked at my mirror caps, my like stock ones, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta do it. I don't like the look of it. Like I never looked too deep into it, but like I'm starting to like the look of the M style mirror caps. I saw it like yesterday, or I saw it today on a BMW. I'm like, damn, look, you gotta get it. So I have to. I gotta get it. To get it Monday, but I'm a little nervous because it's the first time like I'm actually taking something off my car and then putting something else on. But yeah, I'm basically getting rid of these ones because I just stopped liking the look of them. Like they look cool, right? They look cool. But when I saw like the M ones on the other car, I'm like, bro, that looks too cool not to get it, so I had to get it. So see you guys Monday when the package arrives. Okay, I was about to go to the gym, but look what came in the mail. I'm pretty sure this is my package. I'm pretty sure that's my package. We finally got that shit. I'm so excited. This thing finally came in. I'm so excited. So we gotta leave this here. Bro, not fragile, do not drop. Look at the condition of the box. Are you kidding me? This better not be broken when I come back. All right, just spent the money on the pry tool. All right, we got the whip over there. We're about to move the whip into the garage because it is raining, and we're finally gonna put the mirror caps on. I'm so excited, dude. Like, I'm so excited. I'm not sure how we got this thing in without hitting this. I just kind of ran over a stick, but it's fine. And then with that much clearance, low-key goated, not gonna lie. But let's get this started. All right, so we have our tools. I only really needed one, but I guess I'll just have an extra just in case, maybe. In no way whatsoever am I professional at this, so, but there's a first time for everything, you know. So we're just gonna wing this out. Hopefully you can just use this tool. First mirror clip. Okay, that should pop off like normal. I don't know where to start though. I don't want to clip it though. There could be clips. Do what? Guess who finally got it freaking off? Like, how, bruh. Tell me how this took this long to get this thing off. Like, this was a struggle. I think the smart thing to do is to see if the other one fits before I take another mirror cap off. So we're gonna grab our, I think that's our left one. I'm gonna grab our left one. I think this is the one, yep. I wanna see how to put this thing on. Please tell me it fits. Like, please. Almost had a heart attack. This is the right one. Oh gosh, please. Please. Please, please. All right, we got a good update. We finally got the mirror cap on. Hopefully securely and safely. You kind of just had to like force it in a little bit. But this is the first one. It's looking like, actually, it's looking so good. Like, look at that. It already looks more aggressive, and I'm so excited about that. Now to repeat the process for the second time. All right, this is gonna be our last view before we switch it up to the M-style mirror caps. Like I'm genuinely wondering why I didn't do this any sooner.
Like, yo, it's already looking so good. Like, it looks so good. We gotta fix that dent, but do not get me started. This thing looks crazy already. That looks so good. It looks crazy. Oh my gosh. And we haven't even put the mirrors out yet. We don't even know what it looks like with the mirrors out yet, so gotta contain it because we still got one more to do. All right, never wanted to have to do this again. We're gonna grab the tool right here. We're gonna have this done. We did it again, no broken clips, let's go. Look at it. Look at it looking a little pretty. Things looking insane and more aggressive too. All right, now let's just have to force it to click into place. And just like that, we have snapped the thing on. We're gonna open this door and we're gonna see how it's gonna look. Looks like they adjusted properly. Holy. Oh. This thing is looking good, guys. This thing is looking really, really good. I'm still thinking about if I'm gonna install my front plate on this thing. I think I want to. I didn't think I would get a front plate on this, but we're gonna see about that. From the side, this thing's looking mean. Like, this thing looks insane. Low-key, this thing gotta go. I'm tired of seeing that in my car. Like, that gotta go. I'm sorry, Ducky, but you don't belong here. Sorry, Monkey Ducky, but you don't belong here. And just like that, that is how it's done. This is how you remove. Oh, I didn't really show you guys. Like, that's how you remove your mirror caps to install and things. It's just self-explanatory. Really, one YouTube video may help you. You need to go ahead and get yourself. Literally, I'll show you the tool you need. This tool is the only thing you need. It's a plastic pry tool. I'll get this thing off, that thing off in no time. You just gotta be a little bit aggressive with the car. That was my only thing. Like, I didn't know you had to be that aggressive, but you have to be very aggressive. Like, this is just a crazy upgrade. I wasn't really a fan of this, but it's honestly, it was a must-have. Like, I had to do that. Like, let's see how it will look. How good it looks. I don't really notice from this side, but this side looks pretty insane, pretty good. So that's how you do it. I mean, I'm gonna get you guys some shots so you guys can better see it. I'm so happy this worked out. I was very nervous about it. This is my first thing I've ever done to a car. Soon we're gonna go ahead and get the wing, or like the spoiler wing. I'm gonna make it look insane. I think it just needs one, to be honest. I think that's our next step. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna obviously insert some clips of how it looks, better clips. This kind of just changes everything, and I kind of regret it because I know I'm gonna want to get more things for the car. So I'm just, such a bad idea, but it looks so good.